Ito na nga ang kwento ng AFAM na nagpapahanap ng Pinay. Dear Madam Native Filipina, 2 years ago, I met a man online who completely surprised me with his genuine nature and heartwarming perspective in life. His name is Rich Miller, 72 years old gentleman from Tennessee, USA, divorced and living alone. Rich initially reached out to me with the hope of making a meaningful connection, and what began as casual conversations quickly turned into a friendship I have come to treasure deeply. Rich is one of those rare souls who values sincerity and family above all else. He holds a Filipino values in high regard, particularly when it comes to relationship and family life. Over the years, he has shared countless stories about his past, his hopes, and his journey to find someone who will walk with him in love and trust. He was once had a Filipino girlfriend, and while that relationship didn't work out due to some trust issues, specifically, the girl seemed more interested in financial support than building a real connection. It hasn't deterred from him believing in those goodness of others. Rich often speaks with such optimism about the future. I remember one particular day when he opened up about his loneliness and desire to settle down again, not just with anyone, but with someone genuine and real. He said, "I'm done with games and tired of wasting my time with women who don't want the same things I do. I just want a partner to share my life with, someone who sees me for who I am." His sincerity struck a chord with me. Rich is a good person with a kind heart, and his desire for companionship isn't just about filling a void. It's about building a life of trust, care, and respect. His request was simple yet profound. "Can you help me find someone who is as real as you are?" So today, Madam Native Filipina, I'm honoring his wish by reaching out, in the hope that somewhere out there is a woman who shares the same values and is willing to walk this path with Rich. So if you are, or if you know someone who could be the partner Rich is looking for, please feel free to connect with him via Facebook or Messenger. His name is Rich Miller, and he's ready to meet someone who is serious about love, family, and building a future together. So to all the women reading and listening this, Rich deserves someone genuine, someone who will cherish his kindness and reciprocate the love and effort he is willing to give. He's done with heartbreak and false promises, and I truly hope this message reached the right person. Let's help him find the happiness he's been searching for. Thank you, Madam Letter Sender. So mga madam, klaro po, naintindihan nyo naman siguro kahit English ang mensahe or letter nitong letter sender natin na nagbahagi ng kwento ng kanyang kaibigan na naghahanap ng tunay na pagmamahal na hindi tungkol lang sa financial, kaya siya ay papatulan, di ba? Tapos na sa panahong masakit itong AFAM na ito, ayaw na niyang maulit pa na masaktan. Lahat naman tayo ayaw nating masaktan, no? So please, yung allowed lang po na mag-message kay Rich through Facebook or Messenger ay yung mga genuine lang, hindi yung scammers at players. Let's respect this wish from this gentleman from Tennessee, USA. Remember, he is 72 years old. So if you are interested, no, just send him a message. And take note, please don't message me kung gusto nyong maireto. Kayo po mismo ang mag-reach out or mag-comment kayo. Let's see, bibigay natin kay Rich yung video na ito at siya na mismo ang maghanap sa comment section kung sino yung mapupusuan niya at feel niyang genuine din kagaya niya. So good luck mga madam!